Greetings, my fellow troglodytes. So today I'm going to be heading out to a little car meet here. Even though I've heard it's more than little, they're going to be showing off like all these different cars and giving off like actual awards and stuff for all these things. But it costs $20 to enter, and you already know I'm not about to do that. My car is pretty stock, and it doesn't have like the cleanest engine bay or like the coolest mods or whatever. I'm just a dude who drives, so I'll be going to just check it out and see what the haps are. So come and join me. I'm gonna probably grab some food first though. Even though I don't need that much gas, well, there you go. I figured I'd stop for some bussy, but it seems like everyone always has the exact same idea every single time I'm here. But that cheap gas cannot be argued with. Alright, so the gas is $3.17. And it's actually not that much cheaper than what I'm used to around here, but I don't know, at least I get the whole bussy experience. Alright, just caught my sander. Now we're gonna go out here and actually check out where the real cars are at. This is like a sportsplex over here, and it's apparently the site of this car meet. Alright, so just got here, parked next to this C6 Grand Sport with the supercharger. Basically a homemade C7 Z06, I guess. Got these GT, I don't know if you can see that, GT Street radials right here, and it looks like a NOS bottle in the back, so you know this thing be cooking. Alright, so as I'm entering here, you can see right off the bat, got this Z06 with a Pro Charger on it, and this huge ass intake manifold, so you already know this thing's fast. And this is my boy's M3 right here. You might recognize this car from the video that I uploaded of me chasing this car. Hopefully you can see something, but basically what happened is I ended up meeting a friend back there, and I didn't film too much of that part, plus the meet wasn't like super amazing anyways, a lot of old cars, so I'm out here on the windies about to potentially do some cool driving out here with people that I haven't met yet, and it's going to be on this road, so I'm just getting the camera prepped up for that. I'm usually not a fan of driving roads at night, but this place is too crowded during the day. If there ends up not being anyone here, then at the very least I'll be able to test out to see if this camera location works properly. Using the GoPro at night just isn't worth it because it sucks at night. Alright, we got a victim here. Ooh, it looks like he's cooking off slightly. It's always a shame I gotta close the windows, but I want y'all to hear. GTI with an exhaust. I'm assuming he's a driver, but maybe not. He gave a little wiggle. I feel like he's a car guy. Yeah, he was waiting for the better part. die. Check on that man's. I hope my car didn't get completely effed up. Yeah, you too. That little possum, I think I hit it. Oh shit. Yeah, let me stop here real quick and.
I tried to swerve out of the way, but that car was coming in on the other side. And I had to.
Alright, I hope I put the camera in a good spot. But I met some fellas out here. And I'm gonna see if we can get some Touge runs in here.
My advice to you, I don't know what your skill level is or anything. Again, it's not a competition.
Yeah,
Just
I gotcha.
have fun. Don't attempt to follow his pace. Follow what you feel comfortable with.
Yeah.
Don't his pace.
No, I gotcha. I'm not trying to die. Well, you heard the man. We'll see how this goes. So hard. Yo, you okay? Damn.
I'm so sorry.
That was insane. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
That was pretty insane. That guy's okay though. Don't worry.